we have to replace the fuel pump. So as you can see, this is the one that it looks like this is a Ford E150 2006. So just in case if you have to replace it, 80 inches from the back of the door to here, and then you're going to cut in this area, and from the wall to here is 36 inches. So just cut in this area, replace it, and that's it. Simple. Hopefully this video was useful, and if you have any question, please let me know in the section below, and that way you don't have to drop down the fuel tank. Alright, so this is the vehicle. So if you have the same thing, all you have to do 80 inches from that side to here, from the inside, and from here inside is kind of in the middle, like around 36. You can cut the square, and then you don't have to drop down the fuel tank, and that's it. So if you have any question, please let me know, section below, and see you next time. And if you need tools, electronics, just let me know. I can ship it to you. Otherwise, try to leave you in the video description so that way you can buy yourself the part or whatever you need. Thanks. Bye.